Do you know what an algorithm is? Not many do. Essentially, an algorithm is a set of instructions and rules to follow in problem-solving operations, especially by a computer taking a value as input and creating another value as output. It all began in the 9th century in what is now modern-day Saudi Arabia, thanks to a mathematician also known for developing algebra. His book was later translated in Latin and then titled in the 12th century. The word algorithm was adapted to the word algorithm, which translated to decimal number system around the 17th century. And finally, in the 19th century, the word algorithm took on the meaning it has today. We see these things everywhere. People use them when following recipes, plants adopt them when optimizing photosynthesis, and bats use them when echolocating. But technology is the most pervasive use of algorithms. Let's take a look at a bubble sort function and see how a computer sorts a group of numbers. Inputting a list containing the numbers 3, 2, and 4. Len takes the length of the list by counting the number of index positions. Remember, computers start at 0. Range selects a list of numbers from variable x. Since x is 2, it produces a list of 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1. The if statement checks if the index is greater in value of the next index. If it is, the algorithm switches the numbers, producing the output 2, 3, 4. Let's observe how bubble sort works on a larger list. 4 is not greater than 9, so it does not switch. 9 is greater than 2, so it switches. The process continues until all the numbers are sorted. The real advantage here is that computers are able to perform thousands of tasks in just a second. Because of this, it's important that we understand how computers and the internet work. The internet plays a massive role in our lives. About 8 out of 10 Americans use the internet daily, and on average, Americans scored a 53.5% on a basic internet quiz. Learning the mindset and skills for programming can be difficult, so we wanted to create an intuitive way to learn this topic. By developing a solid foundation, one can improve the ability to learn in the future. Technology can come with risks and dangers, and algorithms can perpetuate biases and discrimination. The world of algorithms can sound intimidating, but it's actually very relevant to what you do, who you are, and the way things work. Regardless of your interests, you can help design algorithms for a more just world. This is Algorithms and Society.